Uggs are so freaking comfy, and I wish I could have a pair, but they're also horrendous and for the ladies. So that's why we made the mugs. These are manly Uggs without the shearling popping all over the place, and we do a little slide version called the Slugs. So don't be caught dead in a pair of Uggs. Get yourself a pair of manly Uggs. They're available now, super limited quantities. Check them out below. Random mystery box showed up. Vivaia. And somebody opened these before me. I haven't seen them yet, but I'm pretty sure some interesting and odd stuff that I've never seen before in these. So let's do a quick unboxing. Let's see what Vivaia is about, because it might be some good boots or shoes for your lady. Might be able to find her some high quality stuff to match your boot collection. If you're watching this, there's a chance you have a bigger boot and shoe collection than your significant other. So sometimes you gotta treat your gal and get her something. So this might be the one. What knife? Here's just a big old. Let's do one of these Demcos. These are fun. Yes, the Tonto blade, Tonto point, or whatever. Demco. It's like a big camp knife. Big, thick, like 1/4-inch blade, so you can hammer on it, split wood. You know, you're not gonna break this blade. So you gotta do it for the Vivaias. Oh. That's a bit unnecessary, but it's for fun anyway. Okay, 2 boxes, 4 bags. Let's figure out who Vivaia is.
Vivaia? Vivaia?
Come on, Vivaia.
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 Vivaia? I think it's Vivaia.
Yeah.
Vivaia.
Yes, Vivaia. Yeah, Vivaia.
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 Hey, finally, nailed it. What about the brand? Today, the brand provides a wide range of wide range of comfortable and on-trend footwear, direct to consumer across more than 61 countries, regions worldwide, and continues to partner with global suppliers to design our shoes with recycled and eco-friendly produced materials. You can find the essence of our brand and culture identity in the name. The double V and the double A represent our diverse shoe designs. The double I symbolizes the plastic bottles we recycle to produce our shoes. Combined, it's who we are, Vivaia. There's no other meaning of the word. It sounds like a Portuguese word to me. Vivaia starts with the pain point of every woman. Why can't heels and all women's shoes have a sneaker-like comfort? That's why we founded Vivaia, to support everyday life. No matter where your journey is headed, you can always step into a pair of Vivaia shoes and enjoy comfort and style on the way. Oh, this is kind of cool. Our journey. 33.5 million bottles. Experience, style, confidence, knowledge that our shoes are made from recycled plastic bottles. That's crazy, 33 million. Okay, so they're supposed to be high quality shoes that are comfortable, like sneakers for the ladies. Oh, here's the phonetic spelling. Vivaia. Vivaia. All right, I'll see what we got. I have to get a lady to model these for us. Ooh, okay, so you got, okay, so it is like a fully knit upper. These are the Urban Boots, Nutmeg Water Repellent. That is a very comfy looking shoe, because you've got like a foam outsole with the little rubber reinforcements. You've got that single piece knit upper that's sewn together at the back. Ooh, look at the inside, oh, that's kind of interesting. You got like an internal like heel cup right through here, and then a little bit of structure in the toe. How much are these? They will be comfortable, that is for sure. Let's see what's under the insole though. I don't think these are really heritage in any way. Upper 100% RPET, sock, PU, sole sugarcane based EVA. Wow. All right, at least they back up what they say. Some of these brands that are like, we're eco-friendly, we're made for the environment. And it's like, okay, sure. And you like look in the details and they're not. These guys actually seem like it's real. $199, round toe slip-on sneaker boots, Urban Boots. Introducing a new level of style and comfort with our sleek and versatile everyday sneaker boots. Effortlessly slip into them on and off hands-free, making them, oh, okay. So that's what that big structure in the heel's for. So you can just literally step into them. Too small for, oh, we'll try it. Should we try it? Yeah, let's try it right now. Let's see. I got pretty small feet. Not that small, but let's see if I can actually just step into them. Not wearing any shoes. It's hot as hell here. My feet are too big. All right, roll the footage of a smaller gal trying these on. See if that works. Not only to provide exceptional arch support and incredibly lightweight feel, but stretchy upper roomy toe box. I mean, they're pretty roomy, especially for girl shoes. Girl shoes are always so narrow. Next, wait, should we see what these are? What are these? These are removable cuffs. Looks like they're paired with one of their more sandals. So these are like leg warmers. You know, like gals exercise in these. I don't know if do they still exercise in these, but they put them over top of their boots. Roll the footage again of somebody, a stylish girl trying these on. Show us how it's done. Okay, got some leg warmers. How much are these? 49 bucks. I have no idea. I'm a little bit out of my depth on this one. Looks like another set of leg warmers. Or maybe not, maybe I'll start wearing them. Start wearing them around the house. Stay nice and warm. What's in this box? Vivaia, step into conscious comfort. Ooh, kind of a Chelsea boot. Interesting. So it's like a knit upper, but a Chelsea boot, and it's got that heel structure, so you can literally just step into them. They're definitely not like the highest quality shoes in the world. You know, it's just a rubber outsole, a knit upper. So they really are like sneakers built more like boots. Definitely got a shank in there. So yeah, that is what these are. They're boot-shaped sneakers, but they're also made of recyclable stuff, and they have this little step-in design where this counter is stiff. As far as I can tell, that should work. Roll the footage again of a pretty gal trying these on to see if they actually work. So, based on, I'm assuming they work well. Okay, and then what's in this last little bit here? What are these? Removable cuffs. What is a removable cuff? What are these? What the heck's a removable cuff? Okay, here they are. Knitted sleeve leg warmers. What? I didn't know this was a thing. So you just wear them over the boots? So they're like leg warmers but structured. Okay. I have never seen or heard of that in my entire life. Slip on the knitted sleeve leg warmers to give your boots a bit of a texture and contrast, whether it's walk through the city or a quiet meetup with friends. This adds enough detail to feel thoughtful without trying too hard. Switch shades depending on your outfit and mood. Interesting. I have never heard of that in my entire life. Okay, wow. Quite the footwear. Let's try it on. I gotta try one on at least. Made from recyclable stuff, actually. Boot-shaped footwear that's built like sneakers. And very, very modern. Far from traditional. There's really no leather in here at any way. What size are these? Can I even get these on? Itty bitty. 38s. I'm a 43. I'll do it though. I'll do it for you guys. We'll show what these really look like on a cute girl rather than me. But you gotta know. You gotta know what it looks like. Right. I don't. Here's the thing. I'm not into women's fashion, so I have no idea what I'm doing here. But you got a point here. The cuffs. That is so crazy. That's ridiculous. I didn't know this was a thing. What if it slides up too much and you're exposing your dirty white socks? Or is that the look? Your guess is as good as mine. That is something I never ran across once in all the 600 or 700 boots and shoes we cut apart. I've never once seen that before. That's crazy. So let me know what you think. If you want a pair of comfortable shoes for your lady, or if you're one of the very small percentage of women that watches this channel, check out Vivaia. Very comfortable, recycled materials, built like shoes and sneakers, but in the shape of boots. And doing some pretty wild stuff. Oh, we didn't even see what this color was. And they come in cream. So, well, let me know what you think. I had no idea it was a thing. That's one of the weirder things that I've ever seen that we've ever unboxed. It might be the weirdest thing I've ever unboxed, to be honest. but I'm a dude in the more Western workwear world. These are obviously for the ladies. So let me know what you guys think, and thank you for support. If you want a pair of Vivaias, check them out below. Get your lady something nice. What's the summer, fall's coming. Get her some nice pair of comfortable shoes for fall. So thank you guys. See ya.